Hello and welcome ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sammy representing No Gamer YouTube channel. Today's video will be on unboxing the RTX 2060 Gaming Z from MSI. Okay, let's proceed to unboxing this nice beastie. Whenever you open this box, we'll find the protection, the plastic packaging, and the quick user guide, the CD, and the installation instruction. Let me show you a bit. It's like a comic book and so on. Okay, so and also forgot to say the warranty code from MSI. Thank you for purchasing our product. And you will get this really nice envelope and this nice picture. You can put it on your wall, on your case, and so on. Alright, so let me talk about this nice beast. The RTX 2060 is, well, you can say, a 1080p 144Hz graphics card or 1440p 60 FPS. This particular model from MSI has twin frozer, the Mystic Light RGB, you can see it here. This is the Mystic Light, and the card is really nice and cool. I can tell you from the 1.5 months of using this nice and perfect card, my temperature doesn't even exceed 70 Celsius or 70 degrees, even on playing a really demanding titles. And whenever you're using this card, it has a really nice advantage. First, if you're going to stream something, it's called NVIDIA NVENC encoding. It's a really nice advantage if you're going to stream. It doesn't eat a load from your graphics card whenever you are playing or streaming and so on. The card itself has or use single 8-pin power connector. I recommend a 450 watts. The card itself on OC mode use about 180 watts on average without overclocking. The GPU itself uses only 160 watts. Also forgot to say, the card itself has 6 gigs of GDR6 memory. That's from Micron, if I get it right. And let's proceed to the benchmark, because nothing really interesting in a box. We need to see the benchmarks. Next.
Ladies and gentlemen, so our first game is going to be Devil May Cry 5. So Devil May Cry 5 already made on Re-Engine, so it's really optimized game. As you can see, everything is on Ultra.
This has nothing to do with you. Stand down. Nothing to do with me. It has everything to do with me. Pointless. Go home already. Get out of my fucking asshole! Stay back, child.
Numbers won't do you any good.
Fuck you! Seriously now? Interesting.
Hello, welcome ladies and gentlemen. This is the second game, which is Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. So as you can see, I really love this game, it's so immersive. So as you can see, everything is an ultra. So it's everything is an ultra.
What do you want?
Think I pissed me trousers. What's this then? What?
Your ass head grade too.
Go straight into the bottle.
Wine, I want wine, damn it.
Run, Roach. Move it! Slower. How long you gonna make me wait? What happened, ma'am?
As if the war weren't enough, sir. I'm losing me ends. How am I to live, eh?
Get a look at the thieves?
What thieves? It's monsters taking me chickens. An ordinary thief I'd nab on my own, but beasts? What am I to do?
I can help you. Not for free, but You're advanced in years, so I won't ask too much.
Poppycock. Not much, he says, but you'll take me liver come the end. Well, no one else is lining up to help me. Me hen started disappearing about a week past. Always take one at a time, the vermin.
One at a time? Interesting. Monsters leave any tracks?
Aye. Prints of wolf paws, but strange-like. As if the wolves walked on their hind legs. And don't you be like that wise-ass Yossit from down Warren tells me I'm mistaken. But few know beast tracks like I do. Me man were the best poacher for miles around.
I see. I'd still like to examine the prints myself. Giddy up.
Right guys, so we're testing at
I
this
suggest
residence
this
now.
landing location. I feel most alive when rapidly approaching my death.
Really interesting title.
Placing gas trap. Independent variable added.
Attention.
First blood.
First blood. Beginning ring countdown.
We find ourselves inside the next ring. How serendipitous. Firing on subjects. Reloading. Getting shot at. Reloading. 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 Subject down. Gas trap deployed.
Attention. The
champion
has
fell.
been eliminated.
Reloading. Killed one myself.
Enemy over
I
there.
suspect we will find something here.
So we're getting currently more than 90s. Not bad.
New kill leader. Watch for them. Target spotted.
Reloading. frag.
A shooter. Move. Not sure. I think someone's targeting me.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe. We're trying to reach the 1k sub. And please don't let me down. I would be happy if you did subscribe. So if you want to ask any question, just leave it down in the comment section below. I will try to do my best. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, or continue watching this long video, and please hit the like button, get subscribed, and see you guys next time.